to those fallen to fentanyl, and those who have long lost him, and for all that believe in the religion that time is money, the perfect recipe to crowd out the heart, where real life takes place. If we can't stop the hands of the clock, racing ever faster, time will run away with our days like a runaway train to a wreckage. And a reckoning, to a promise that doesn't exist when we have not worked on ourselves, yet we continue to persist and live. This is all there is. When we don't work on ourselves, we'll never discover the full rainbow of our being. John Ungar, excerpt from Life is Like a Summer's Day, Chapter 5. If you want to find out how this story ends or apply these ideas in your life, I'll leave you the link to the book in the description.